1955. James and the Red Engine by Nathan Allen.
Oh, there's a question.
This is James. He slept soundly in his shed.
Alarm clock noise!
James looked at the clock that was shaped like a square.
How am I supposed to begin time at 6 a.m.?
You and I know that James wasn't want to disappoint his peers.
I have a package to deliver. In situations like his, he wishes it was a car.
But luckily for James, the station wasn't far.
Get the package delivered. Get the package delivered. Get the package. James soon said, and the minutes started counting. 5:10, 5:11, 5:12, 5:13, 5:14, 5:15.
He went as fast as he can, but the pressure was mounting.
5:16, 5:17, 5:18, 5:19. Okay, I got the package. Just when he thought everything was gonna be okay,
He realized,
the destination is 40 minutes away. Time is shipping.
why overnight shipping?
Who put this darn hill here? Through wind, hail, snow, and rain, James pushed up the steep hill. Why is it snowing? I live in freaking sunny California.
If he keeps pushing, he's going to feel ill.
If I feel out, then I lose. Existential crisis.
The system is corrupted. If James gets fired, then it would be impossible for him to find a new job. James has been working for the delivery company for 27 years. For each year he works, his paycheck increases, but even then, his pay is still low. If he decides to switch to a new company, he could take 11 out of those 27 years out of his resume to determine how many years to get paid. That is a waste of 16 years.
If I was lost, I'd be scrapped by metal and replaced by little trains.
The problem is that companies do not want to pay for the trains anymore. Why pay for the experience of one train when you could buy several new trains with the less experience at the cost of a third? What would pay James?
James, hello, James. James, hello, James.
Was it rude that James took the wrong direction in life? What is the purpose now other than to satisfy the insatiable needs of impatient human prior to a mailbox expresses? Are you kidding me? James!
Why don't you use your stand bar? Don't all trains have stand boxes?
This was James's first experience with facing microaggression.
This is not very good for Marlo's first impression. I don't have a sandbox. I wasn't made with one. Only the newer and refined ones do.
Maybe we should step in?
Let's give these wheels a spin.
From the front.
I'll push from the back.
Get going.
5:56, 5:57, 5:58, 5:59, package delivered. Happy Sunday, happy birthday, ever after.
Okay guys, let's give Nathan and everybody a big round of applause.